Hi everyone, how you doing today? Great, right? Without further ado, let's jump right in. Two quick clarifications before we continue. Number one, why Bitcoin first? The reason is simple. Bitcoin is the default-based currency used for trading in the cryptocurrency market, followed by Ethereum. Just like anytime you want to travel abroad, you go and convert some of your naira into dollars. When you want to buy cryptocurrencies, you first convert your naira into Bitcoin. This is because Bitcoin is universally accepted as a means of exchange in the cryptocurrency market. Once you have your Bitcoin ready, then you are good to go. Number two, why use Luno to buy? We are using Luno because we want a cheap and very easy place to buy Bitcoin using Naira. Luno is an exchange platform where you can purchase Bitcoin as well as store and exchange your Bitcoin for Naira, and it is the cheapest among all the available platforms. In this segment, we will be registering and purchasing Bitcoin on Luno. Please note that for this video, we will be creating a brand new Luno account live, which is specifically created for the purpose of this video series. Our main accounts are still with us and in private mode. So before you start registering on Luno, you need three things. One, you must have an email account, Gmail, Yahoo, or whichever email you want. If you don't have one, just go and get that now. So I'm going to continue with the assumption that you already have an email account. Number two, you need to have your BVN ready. Don't be scared, all right? The BVN is simply needed to verify your account and prevent fraud. Number three, you need to have a MasterCard or a Visa card. Once you have these three things ready, click on the link below this video and follow the steps. After clicking on the link below this video, you should find yourself in a page like you see right now. Okay, and all you need to do is click on the sign up button. Type in your email. Choose a password. Then tick on the appropriate images. Next, verify and click on sign up. You're almost there. Now head over to your email. Find it right there. Click on it. Look for the confirmation here, and click on this confirmation box. Now the account is fully activated. Now we need to verify the account. The next thing is to head over to your settings. Type in your real name. Make sure this name is same name you have on your BVN or your bank account number. All right. Fill in your number, your mobile number. Make sure this is the number that is tied to your BVN. Okay. This is taking a while. I think I'm going to call instead. Sometimes it takes a while for them to send the code because of network issues. So if you're having a delay, you can decide to have them call you instead. Okay. Yes, I've gotten the call and I'll be typing in the code now. Click submit. The mobile number has been verified. Now go back to your settings. Now we need to upgrade the account so we can deposit funds. All right, so right now I'm going to click on upgrade. Now make sure these details are same as you have on your ID. Okay, number tied to your BVN, surname, your date of birth. Make sure this is same as you have in your BVN. Now click on submit. Now the account has been verified. Now we're going to set up our two-factor authentication. Go back to settings, click on it, set two-factor. Make sure you copy the recovery code. Okay, copy that recovery code, keep it aside. If you don't have this, download the Google Authenticator. You will need that. You can get the Google Authenticator from your Play Store. All right. Now we are done. Here we have the wallet. I want to add the Ethereum wallet in case you want to buy Ethereum. Okay. So we have the Ethereum wallet ready now. So once you have all of these set, the next thing you want to do is deposit funds into your Luno account. Make sure you to use your real names. All right. Now, Luno uses a third party for digs, and that's PayU. This is so they ensure your details are safe and secure. You have no need to worry if they will be stolen. Okay. So we are going to deposit cash into Luno by clicking on the deposit button and putting in the amount we want to deposit. We will be taken to PayU to complete the transaction. You want to note that PayU charges a fee of 1.58% on every deposit you make. So for instance, I'll be depositing 35,000 naira. Okay, and I am including all the charges, which includes what PayU will charge, what Luno will charge. So PayU takes 1.5%, okay, for every deposit. Luno will be taking approximately 2%. So in all, you will have charges of 3.6%. Okay, so you want whatever you want to deposit into Luno, make sure you include these transaction fees. So for instance, I want to buy Bitcoin worth of 33,000. Okay. After all my calculations, I saw that I will be needing an extra of 1,000 Tiri. Okay, so the total I'm going to be depositing is 35,000 naira. Now we are getting to the fun part when we get to, buy some Bitcoins. What you want to do at this point is check what Luno is exchanging one BTC for in Naira. At this point of shooting this video, you can see that the price of Bitcoin is 4.1377 million. That's approximately 4.2 million. Okay, I kind of write like round figures, but what we have here is 4,137,700 naira. Okay, so you want to check that on your dashboard and know what you are making your calculations with. All right, so in our case, we want to purchase 35,000 naira worth of Bitcoin at the exchange rate of 4.1377 million. Okay, now all you need to do is divide 35,000 by what Luno is presently exchanging for. Once you've done those calculations, you want to click on deposit. You'll be taken to pay you, type in the amount, make sure you've done all the calculations. All right, click on next, continue. Remember, you'll be needing your card for pay you. Okay, so either your Visa or your MasterCard. Type in your card details. Don't worry about this. I've told you it's very secure, so no one is stealing your details. Okay, but I'll be covering my details. Yeah, I will, because I don't want you to steal it. Okay, right here I'll be expecting the OTP to make sure the transaction goes through. Okay, so I've received it. I'm going to type it in now. Make sure you leave this and allow it to load completely till it takes you back to Luno. Don't click on continue, just allow it to reload. You see, now we have successfully deposited cash into Luno. Okay, you can see it right there. After PayU has deducted their charges. Now, all we need to do is we need to purchase Bitcoin now. So the next thing we want to do is go to the Bitcoin wallet, okay, and click on buy, because that's what we want to buy. Remember, I've already done my calculations, and what I want is around 33,700,000 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, I've done those calculations, and I should be receiving 0.008 and some sats. Okay, so make sure you click on what you have there. You receive the Google authentication code. Remember, you set your 2FA factor. Go to your Google authenticator to get your code. Fill it in. That is it, guys. The Bitcoin will be credited into your Luno within 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go check. See right there, not even up to 5 minutes. Okay, we have 0.008155 Bitcoins. All right, so we have come to the end of this segment of the training. The next step is to open our trading accounts on exchanges and start buying cryptocurrencies. We will show you how to do that in a little while. For now, let's get to Mr. Ronald. I will be back to show you how to do that. Bye.